Welcome to Virtual Office Training. Today I am going to teach you how to use Sumif function in Excel 2010. Just open Excel worksheet. You can see here quantity records of items, and I want to calculate total quantity of keyboard here. If I type keyboard here, it will calculate the total quantity of keyboard. If I type monitor, it will calculate the total quantity of monitor. How can I do that? Just type keyboard here and type is equal to sign Sumif function. It will ask you the range. Just select this range which you will use, and comma and criteria. Criteria is if I type keyboard here, then it will calculate the total quantity of keyboard, and this cell number is B14. Just type B14 and comma and the sum range. What you want to sum? I want to sum quantity. Just select quantity range and press enter, and you can see the total quantity of keyboard 56 and 56 and 112. It will display the total quantity of keyboard 112. If I type here monitor, it will display the total quantity of monitor. Monitor 85 and 85. If I type mic, it will calculate the total quantity of mic 75. It is very useful function. You can sum any criteria by using Sumif function. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.